Hello boys and girls, welcome back to Fun Story Factory. And today we've got a wonderful book that I actually used to read to my children when they were little. There it is, it's called The Bear's Lunch by Pamela Allen. And we're going to see what happens to Wendy and Oliver when they go on their picnic. Shall we start? The Bear's Lunch by Pamela Allen. Shall we begin? Wendy and Oliver were going on a picnic. When they spread out their towels in the clearing, they didn't know a big black bear was out looking for his lunch. First he looked under a log. "Ah," growled the bear, and a frightened mouse ran into its hole. Then he looked up a tree. "Ah," growled the bear, and a frightened bird flew off into the sky. He looked into a stream. "Ah," growled the bear, and the frightened fish swam away to hide. He looked behind some rocks. "Ah," growled the bear, and a frightened squirrel scurried away as fast as it could. Then he came into the clearing. "Ah," growled the bear, "ah," and the frightened children ran to the end of the jetty. Can you see? They've had to stop their picnic because their bear wants to eat their food. The bear was hungry. By now, very hungry. He wanted his lunch. So he sat down on Oliver's towel and gobbled up Oliver's honey sandwich. Then he gobbled up Wendy's salad sandwich. "Ah," growled the bear. The children look very scared, don't they? Now the bear was thirsty. "Ah," growled the bear. He drank up all of Oliver's orange juice, and then he drank up all of Wendy's apple juice. Can you see he's drinking? But the bear was a big bear, and that was a little lunch. The bear wanted more. "Ah," growled the bear as he stood up, sniffed and looked all around. What do you think he's going to see? He could smell more at the end of the jetty. Oh, they're looking very frightened indeed now. "Ah," growled the bear. He came closer. "Ah, ah," growled the bear. He came closer and closer. When the bear was so close that Wendy and Oliver could smell its hot breath and see its sharp teeth and look into its red rolling eyes, Oliver let out an enormous "Ah!" The bear took a step back. "Ah!" growled Oliver again. The bear took another step back. "Ah! Ah! Ah!" growled Wendy and Oliver together. The bear was so frightened he turned and ran away as fast as he could. Wendy and Oliver ran home to their mother. When their mother heard about the bear, she hugged them both tight, then made them another lunch. Wendy and Oliver were so hungry they gobbled it all up, and the big black bear never came back again. Wasn't that a lovely story? Did you enjoy it? Do you like going on picnics? I'm sure you haven't met a bear, but if you do, you know what to do, don't you? You've got to scream back at it. Bye-bye, see you soon. Hello boys and girls, welcome back to Fun Story Factory. We've got a super book for you today. It's called How Do You Make a Rainbow, and it's by Crowe. And it's all about kindness. Are you kind? Do you do nice kind things every day? Do you help your mummies and daddies? Do you help your little baby brothers and sisters? This is going to be a wonderful book. We're going to see how rainbows are made and painted out of hope and kindness. Rather special, isn't it? Okay, let's begin. It's raining and it's pouring. Everything is sad and grey. I think the sky needs cheering up. I wish there was a way. How do you make a rainbow? Is it painted in the sky? Help me paint one, Grandad. I'm too small to reach that high. A rainbow isn't painted, whispers Grandad with a grin. It's made from hope and kindness with some other things thrown in. Look, can you see she's got all the paints ready to make the rainbow? And the grandpa's saying, no, that's not how we make a rainbow. Should we carry on? It's the love that binds our family, friends who help us make it through. It's thinking about others and the joy that brings to you. It's about being kind, isn't it? It's tulips to say thank you, jam on toast to start the day, and putting all your heart into the things you do or say. It's about being really kind and nice to people. Should we see what else is happening? It's kicking leaves in autumn, sunsets when the day is done, pumpkins lighting darkness, being tigers just for fun. It's the glow you feel inside you when you make somebody proud. It's when something's just so silly that you have to laugh out loud. It's sand between your toes. It's the first signs that it's spring. The funny face you get from sucking sour lemon zing. Have you ever tried to suck a lemon? It's very bitter, isn't it? Isn't that a lovely, lovely page? All bright colours and yellows. Can you see the daffodils as well? And how much they're laughing? Yes. It's croaking frogs with frog spawn. It's helping plant new trees. Picking peas and runner beans and grass stains on your knees. And this whole page is green. And the previous page was yellow. Did you notice the colours on the other pages? There was grey, wasn't there? And purple, red and orange. Let's carry on now, shall we? It's taking time to listen when the birds sing songs for you, and knowing when you wake up, every day is fresh and new. It's caring for our oceans, picnics under summer skies, frosty winter mornings, butterflies and blueberry pies. What colour have we here? That's right, it's blue. Let's carry on. It's ballerinas, tutus, dancing like you just don't care. It's singing songs together, having fun with punk rock hair. There's purple again. She's having lots of fun, isn't she? Playing with her granddad. Think of things that make you happy. All the kind people that you know. find the sunshine that's inside you, and a rainbow starts to grow. Wow. And then, before you know it, arching through the clouds so high, you'll see a burst of colour lighting up the gloomy sky. There it is, the beautiful rainbow. So there's a rainbow inside all of us. We just have to make it happen, don't we? We have to do kind things and laugh and dance and enjoy the trees and the sky, and then everyone feels happy and the rainbow gets painted. Now, this is a very special book because afterwards it says, think of things that make you happy. Are you thinking? All the kind people that you know. Find the sunshine inside you and a rainbow starts to grow. So in this book it says, start thinking about things and write what are your favourite red things and what are your favourite orange things and yellow. Perhaps you have some yellow wellies for splashing in puddles or a favourite yellow cuddly toy. Wow. And be sure to ask your mummies and daddies to help you if you're going to cut things out. That perhaps you have a special red jumper that makes you feel warm and cosy. Have you ever helped in the garden or played in the park? What's special to you that's green? And then you can write what's special to you for blue. Indigo is a deep blue purple colour. Violet is a lighter pink purple colour. And before you know it, arching through the clouds so high, you'll see a burst of colour, lighting up the gloomy sky. And that goes with my colourful scarf, doesn't it? And my colourful hair. Have you watched videos when I'm wearing a different colour hair? Can you tell me what other colour wig I wear? I wonder if you can. Maybe you can answer and tell me. This is such a lovely book. So make sure you prepare your own special rainbow. And I'll be telling you where you can buy this book. I think that was really wonderful. And it's making you feel good inside. Because when you're good to people, it makes you feel good. So go and do something really good today. And write and tell me on Fun Story Factory what you did and what colour was in the sky. See you soon. Bye-bye.